Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to you in today's video lecture. Dear friends, we have seen the concept of elasticity of demand as well as first types of elasticity of demand, which is known as income elasticity of demand also. Now today we are going to learn about second types of elasticity of demand, which is called as cross elasticity of demand. So concept of cross elasticity with its types will be discussed in today's lecture. Dear friends, cross elasticity of demand refers to change in quantity demanded of one commodity due to change in price of another commodity. So here another commodity means it may be complementary goods or it may be substitute goods. If price of complementary and substitute goods change and as a result quantity demanded of given commodity changes, which is called as cross elasticity of demand. So here it refers to change in quantity demanded of one commodity due to change in price of another commodity, which is called as cross elasticity of demand. Dear friends, here price of given commodity, suppose it is A, is remain constant, as well as consumer's income is also constant. It means price of given commodity A and income of the consumer both are remain constant. There is no change in price of given commodity A as well as consumer's income also, but there is change in price of related commodity B. So here related commodity means it may be complementary commodity or it may be substitute commodity also. It means price of related commodity B may be complementary or it may be substitute. Changes. There is change in price of related commodity B and as a result it impact on quantity demanded of given commodity A. It means there is change in quantity demanded of commodity A. It means quantity demanded of commodity A changes. There is change in quantity demanded of given commodity A. It is changes and reason is change in price of related commodity B. Here price of a commodity and consumer's income is remain constant. So quantity demanded of a commodity changes due to change in price of another commodity, related commodity B, which is known as cross elasticity of demand. So here cross elasticity of demand is the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded of commodity A to percentage change in price of related commodity B. So here it is the ratio, cross elasticity of demand is the ratio between two factors. One is percentage change in quantity demanded of commodity A, यानी कि A commodity की क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड में चेंज होता है और उसका रीजन होता है परसेंटेज चेंज इन प्राइस ऑफ रिलेटेड कमोडिटी बी, यानी कि बी कमोडिटी की प्राइस में चेंज होता है और जिसका परिणाम ए कमोडिटी की क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड पर होता है। तो इस प्रकार यदि बी कमोडिटी की प्राइस में चेंज होने के कारण ए कमोडिटी की क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड में चेंज होता है तो उसे ही हम क्रॉस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड कहते हैं। सो इट इज द रेशियो बिटवीन टू factors. One factor is percentage change in quantity demanded of commodity A to percentage change in price of related commodity B. So cross elasticity of demand is the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded of commodity A to percentage change in price of related commodity B. So here related commodity means it may be complementary commodity B, or it may be complementary commodity as well as it may be substitute commodity also. यानी कि रिलेटेड कमोडिटी की प्राइस में चेंज होने के कारण यदि पर्टिकुलर कमोडिटी की क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड पर यदि उसका इफेक्ट होता है तो उसे हम क्रॉस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड कहते हैं. डियर फ्रेंड्स, we may formulate the concept of cross elasticity also. So here cross elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded of A divided by percentage change in price of B. So here concept of cross elasticity of demand can be formulated in formula. Cross elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded of A commodity divided by percentage change in price of B commodity. So here in another language, cross elasticity is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded of A divided by percentage change in price of B. So here it can be written as delta quantity A divided by quantity A divided by delta PB, it means price of B divided by original price of B, which can be written as delta quantity A divided by quantity A multiplied by price of B divided by delta price of B. So here QA means original quantity demanded of commodity A. So here QA denotes original quantity demanded of commodity A, यानी कि A commodity की original quantity demanded, as well as delta quantity A which denotes change in quantity demanded of commodity A. So here this delta, this triangle denotes change, and therefore delta QA is equal to change in quantity demanded of commodity A. Then PB denotes original price of commodity B, P for price and B is a commodity. So original price of commodity B, and delta PB which denotes change in price of commodity B. So here delta denotes change, and therefore PB price of B, change in price of B commodity. So here suppose percentage change in quantity demanded of A, suppose it is 10% divided by percentage change in price of B, suppose it is 5%. So 10% divided by 5% is equal to 2. So here in this case cross elasticity of demand will be positive. Answer of this formula will be 2, and therefore here cross elasticity of demand will be positive in given example. So in this way cross elasticity of demand is the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded of commodity A to percentage change in price of related commodity B. Dear friends, cross elasticity of demand is the degree of responsiveness of change in quantity demanded of commodity A to change in price of related commodity B. So it can be defined as cross elasticity of demand is the degree of responsiveness of change in quantity demanded of commodity A to change in price of related commodity B. If there is change in price of related commodity, यदि related commodity की price में change होता है तो उस समय given commodity A की क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड का रिस्पांस किस प्रकार होता है उसे हम क्रॉस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड कहते हैं. सो इट इज द डिग्री ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस ऑफ चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड ऑफ कमोडिटी ए, यानी कि ए कमोडिटी की क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड में किस प्रकार का रिस्पांस होता है ड्यू टू चेंज इन प्राइस ऑफ रिलेटेड कमोडिटी बी, बी वस्तु की कीमत में चेंज होने के कारण. व्हेन प्राइस ऑफ गिवन कमोडिटी ए is remain constant, as well as consumers income is also remain constant. It means there is no change in price of given commodity A, as well as there is no change in consumers income also, यानी कि कंज्यूमर की इनकम और प्राइस ऑफ ए कमोडिटी रिमेन कांस्टेंट है, उसमें किसी भी प्रकार का चेंज नहीं होता है। और इफ देयर इज चेंज इन प्राइस ऑफ रिलेटेड कमोडिटी बी, यानी कि रिलेटेड कमोडिटी बी की प्राइस चेंज होती है, सो उसमें चेंज होने के कारण इट विल बी इंपैक्ट ऑन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड ऑफ कमोडिटी ए, उसका ए कमोडिटी की क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड पर इंपैक्ट होता है। इट मींस क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड ऑफ ए कमोडिटी चेंज होता है। सो देयर इज चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड ऑफ ए कमोडिटी ड्यू टू चेंज इन प्राइस ऑफ रिलेटेड कमोडिटी बी, which is known as cross elasticity of demand. So here quantity demanded of given commodity A, so there is change in quantity demanded of given commodity A, and due to change in price of B commodity, related commodity, so it is the cross elasticity of demand. So here there are three types of cross elasticity of demand. First one is positive cross elasticity. So positive cross elasticity can be find with respect to substitute commodity. Substitute commodity से related cross elasticity positive होती है. So here example is given, tea and coffee. If price of coffee rises, as a result quantity demanded of tea also rises. So there is direct relation between quantity demanded of tea and price of coffee, and therefore with respect to such type of substitute goods there will be positive cross elasticity. substitute commodity के बारे में cross elasticity positive होती है, क्योंकि substitute commodity के बारे में यदि suppose कॉफी की कीमत बढ़ती है तो उस समय कंज्यूमर हु कंज्यूम कॉफी दे विल ट्रांसफर टू ड्रिंक अ टी, तब वह कॉफी की जगह टी ड्रिंक करना पसंद करेंगे. सो क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड ऑफ टी विल बी राइजेस ड्यू टू राइज इन प्राइस ऑफ कॉफी, एंड देयरफॉर इन दिस केस देयर विल बी पॉजिटिव क्रॉस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड which is found with respect to substitute commodity. Second is negative cross elasticity. So second types of cross elasticity is known as negative cross elasticity, which can be found with respect to complementary goods. So complementary goods के बारे में negative cross elasticity होती है, क्योंकि complementary goods के बारे में यदि एक वस्तु की कीमत बढ़ती है तो दूसरे वस्तु की डिमांड कम होती है. जैसे कि यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं, सपोज प्राइस ऑफ शुगर राइजेस, क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड ऑफ टी विल बी डिक्रीजेस. If price of sugar decreases, quantity demanded of tea will be rises, and therefore with respect to complementary goods there will be negative cross elasticity, because there is inverse relation between quantity demanded of given commodity and price of its complementary commodity, and therefore there will be negative cross elasticity with respect to complementary goods. And last types of cross elasticity called as zero cross elasticity, so which can be found with respect to non-related goods. If two goods are not related with one another, यदि दो गुड्स एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड नहीं है तो उस समय there will be zero cross elasticity of demand, like tea and books. So these are two commodity which is not closely related with one another, and therefore if there is change in price of books which does not impact on quantity demanded of tea, and therefore there will be zero cross elasticity with respect to non-related goods. So here we have seen three types of cross elasticity of demand: positive with respect to substitute commodity, negative with respect to complementary goods, and zero cross elasticity with respect to non-related goods. So three types of cross elasticity also we have seen here. So dear friends, in today's lecture we have seen the concept of cross elasticity, which denotes change in quantity demanded of a commodity due to change in price of related B commodity. In another word, we can define it as cross elasticity of demand is the degree of responsiveness of quantity demanded of commodity A due to change in price of related commodity B. In another word, it can be defined as cross elasticity of demand is the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded of a commodity to percentage change in price of B commodity. So here we have seen the concept of cross elasticity as well as types of cross elasticity of demand also. So here we will over our lecture. Thank you.